this is Delta 1 Bravo. We have here hostile. Can you confirm target speed?
Echo Charlie to Foxtrot Bravo. Our position has been compromised. We've been spotted by Exosaur. Over. Roger that, SEAL Team 6. En route. Oh, got a visual of Exosaur.
Flamethrower at him. We got speeded.
Alright, man, it's time to roll out. Let's go find SEAL Team 6 and take out that Exosaur.
Yeah.
We've located Exosaur. Everybody this way.
I'm shooting my flamethrower at him. Get him. Oh.
We're taking heavy losses. We need evac now. I repeat, we need Exosaur is decimating their unit.
Company L is moving tanks in from the east. Stand by.
Hi, Stormers! Today we are going to put together the big transport planes. Yeah, and Stormers, if you didn't know, literally this little bitty cheap helicopter can literally fit in those bigger transport planes from Tim Mee Toys. Yeah, like you can put 1,100,000 transport army trucks in there and 1,100,000 army guys.
The transport planes are inside this green tub.
Yep, they are.
Oh, Evan, look, what is this?
It's the Tim Mee Toy helicopter.
There's a helicopter on top of the green tub.
So here, Stormers, here I go and opening up the Tim Mee Toy top. Put it over here.
The green
One.
transport plane. Oh no, hey Evan, let's do these one at a time. What do you say? Let's move this out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh, Evan, behind you!
Oh,
It's Exosaur!
I Exosaur. Okay, here it comes. Oh yeah, and then everything fell out.
Bag inside the bag, Evan.
And this is the trick. A bag inside a bag inside a bag inside a bag. He's going to drive out of there.
Oh, that's a cool looking tank, huh?
Yep, another Tim Mee Toy tank. We have another bazooka guy. Oh, guns. Look, rocket launchers.
Set contains 1 army tank and 24 plastic army men.
So the set comes with a lot of machine gunners, 2 flamethrowers, and then 2 machine gunners here, and then 2 bazooka guys, and then 2 radio guys, and then 1 mortar guy, and then 2 grenadiers, and 1 landminer guy, and 2 bazooka guys.
And it also comes with a
Flag.
an American flag with the base.
Yeah.
We need to find the sticker, but the sticker flag will go right there. And then we
Yeah.
have propellers.
Yep.
Looks like we have 3 of them. We have 4 propellers, 2 missiles.
Yeah, 2. And then we have a gun here. And then 3 rocket ones.
And we have the sticker sheet, of course.
Yep.
And then we have the main part of the plane, the fuselage. And then, of course, we have the wing.
Yep. So did those 2 propellers on this side, 2 propellers on this side.
Exactly.
So we got the
Right there. I'm gonna push, hold it.
hard.
Hard. Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
Okay, check it out. We have 2 propellers on.
2 more propellers. Wait for me.
Push hard, Evan.
Oh, I didn't get it on. I got it worse.
Propeller number 4.
Okay. Yes, sir. We got 3 propellers on. Bust it hard as I can. I think I got it. I got
Oh,
it.
you got it.
Oh yeah. 2 of them. We got it. And it's storm.
Up next, we have the missiles.
Yeah, fire the cannons. Pew!
Okay, so the missiles are supposed to go under the wing somewhere. Oh, I think I found it.
You did?
Yep, right there's probably one. And then on the other end, right there is the other one. Press, Evan.
That's where they go. Can I say something to the storm? 2 of them, and maybe stormers. These guns maybe shoot out those missiles.
Next thing that we need to do is to attach the wing to the fuselage.
You mean to the transport plane?
Okay, so Evan didn't know it, but the body of the plane is actually called the fuselage. Can you, Stormer, say fuselage?
Fuselage. Fuselage.
Fuselage.
Cannons.
So let's put it in at an angle first.
Let
Piece right here needs to go back just a little bit, so just push back on it.
me do. I did it.
And there it goes. So is the wing, is it on there pretty snug, nice and tight? Yeah, it is, huh? The next step is to install the wheels. Are you ready?
Ooh, yeah.
The small wheel goes in the front and the 2 long wheels press down, maybe. And then the second wheelbase, all front tire. Where's it at? Where did it go?
Here it is.
There it is.
It's actually pretty hard. Okay, I can't do it. It just stuck onto me.
Okay, so the front wheel was a little bit more difficult to put on. Timmy doesn't want that wheel to come off, does he?
Nope.
No. So Evan, check it out. So all the wheels turn.
Yeah, so what's next?
So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 wheels. Let's see what's next.
Next up is the guns. Am I right?
Okay, Evan, so next we need to put the,
Machine gun on there?
yeah, the round gun turret on the bottom near the front of the plane.
I wonder why they call it turret. I put this on really hard.
Alright, Evan, so next we need to put the machine guns into the base. There's the 3 machine guns. Let's put these on the fuselage.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, that went in pretty easy. Check that out, Evan.
Well, we...
Okay, Evan, so we have the side guns on. We have the turret up front, under the nose. Propellers are on. We have the missiles on, locked in. Hey, Evan. Hey, this is actually called a AC-130 Gunship airplane. Did you know that?
No.
Let's do the Military Airlift Command Gunship sticker first. Defender. So Evan, USAF, those are initials or abbreviations for United States
of America
Air
Force.
Evan, we put this sticker on wrong. Let's see if we can take it off very carefully.
Take it carefully.
And it didn't rip. That's really high quality stickers. It didn't rip, Evan. Okay, it needs to go this direction here.
Yeah, like there's missiles on there.
Look how big this thing is.
Like this is the...
So we finished the green team's AC-130 Gunship. Now it's time for...
Flag.
We forgot the flag.
A tan one.
The tan team. Alright, Evan, let's see if that tank will fit inside my 30 gunship. Drive it up on there, buddy. Go. Going. Go, tank.
Yep, it's all the way in there.
Green one. And this is the tan one. They come separately, but these things are really cool, huh, Evan? Anyways, thanks for watching, Stormers, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.